What __future___ feature should I import in Python version 2.6.2? I am starting to learn Python, but I'm forced to use a version 2.6.2 interpreter. I want to get as close as possible to Python 3, e.g., using the new print function, true division, etc. What other features should I import from __future__? I guess I could do a general import __future__, but then I would get different behavior when I upgrade to a higher version. Version 2.7 might have more features in __future__, and my scripts might stop working then.
Well, even if there wasn't documentation, __future__ is also a regular module that has some info about itself. Python 2.6 has most of the features already enabled, so choose from division, print _function, absolute _import, and Unicode _literals. And no, import _future won't work as you think. It's only magic when you use the from _future import something form as the first statement in the file. See the docs for more. Of course, no matter how much you import from __future, you will get different behavior in 3.x.
What other features should I import from __future__? To get the most up-to-date behavior, you should of course import every __future___ feature that's offered, except the ones that you get anyway. The way the system is set up, old features are not dropped even after they're always on. Note that import __future___ will not give you everything, and neither will from __future___ import star. The from ... import ... syntax is special cased for __future___, which is how it works, but __future___ is still a real module that you can import with import __future___. However, doing so will let you know the actual feature names, as well as information on when they were, or are expected to be, made default, and when they became available. Is what I get on 2.7.2.